My name's Norb Hoff. I'm with Fusion Babbitting. I'm an outside sales engineer, and we're located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Fusion Babbitting specializes in Babbit bearings in the motor industry and shipping industry and in the power generation. Well, first of all, Fusion was invited to do a presentation. It's more of a one-on-one. You know, when people come by the booth, you can talk to them and you can explain how a Babbit bearing is made or remanufactured. But when they come into a 1-hour session, you can really go into detail the entire process from the time a bearing comes in our door to the time the bearing goes out the door. Well, what I like is the venue. I'm an aviation fanatic since I was a little kid, so I like the venue. And with the smaller crowd, it's a little more intimate, but also it's a good opportunity to not only make new business contacts, but cultivate existing contacts.